If you want to know what size tires that your vehicle has, and it doesn't matter if you have a Nissan, Ford, Toyota, Kia, Subaru, whatever you have, and you want to know the exact size of the tires, is instead of looking on the tire to find a number there, only thing you have to do with the majority of vehicles is just go right here to the very bottom on your driver's side, and if you look right here, of course it's going to show you the PSI of what your tire pressure should be, but right to the left, look for size dimensions. And so what I would tell the manufacturer, or rather the place that I'm buying the tires at, I would take a picture of this right here and give them this number. This shows the front of the vehicle and the rear. Usually they're going to be the same. So for example, with this Nissan Altima 2014, I would take a picture of this and give this to the tire company, P215/60R1694T, and that's all you have to give them, and then you can get new tires. I'd highly recommend Michelin. Yes, they're a little bit more expensive, but they last forever. For example, this Michelin is from 2018, and look at the tread, still good. Rarely do I get a flat or the tires were going low. Rarely does that happen with Michelin. Again, they're about 20% more expensive, but highly recommended. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.